Hi, I'm Ana Barrera from the SprintPass Success team, and today I'm going to show you an introduction to creating an account and reservations. There are many benefits when using SprintPass as a freight forwarder, dispatcher, and truck driver. One of those benefits is you can make a reservation to pick up and drop off freight at a cargo facility. Scheduling a reservation gives you the opportunity to plan your pickups and drop offs in advance, reduce airport congestion, and decrease waiting time at the cargo facilities. Reservations have an advantage over the phone app request and walk in, and will always be at the top of the list in the priority process at the facilities. Making a reservation in advance gives the cargo facility visibility to the shipment details prior to the driver showing up at the facility. If the reservation is for an import pickup, the front counter agent can review the reservation details, such as documents, confirm that the freight has arrived, has been broken down, and verify payment has been made. Reservations go through a pre-review, pre-approval, and a final review, final approval process. The reservation requester will be able to track the progress of the reservation in their SprintPass account. I will go further into detail about each feature and its functions in the reservation portal in the next module. To create a reservation, go to cargosprintpass.com to set up an account. Let me take you through the sign-up process. Go to your browser. Once you are in our website, click on the sign-up link at the bottom. After you click the sign-up link, the system will ask you to enter an email address. You can enter a corporate email, or each of your stations can create their own account. It might be a good idea to have a group email if you have a large department and you want access, visibility to all the staff members. Once you enter the email address, select the Get Invitation blue button. You will get a pop-up stating that the invitation was sent to your email. The next step will be to check your email inbox and finish the sign-up verification by clicking on the sign-up button within the email you received. If you do not receive an email, it is possible your firewall has blocked your URL, so please check your junk and spam folder. You will need to enter and confirm your password. Once you enter your password, click on the Create Account button at the bottom. It is always good to write down the password somewhere safe just in case you forget it. The system will prompt you to fill in various fields. Today, our system only allows a US phone number or a Mexico phone number. Next, select all the airports where you pick up or drop off cargo. You can always modify the airports at a later date if you want to add more airports in your profile. The last step will be to accept Cargo Sprint's terms, use, and privacy policy. Once you are done completing all the information, click on the Complete Profile blue button at the bottom. Your account has now been set up and you can begin to make reservations. Thank you for watching this video on Introduction to Creating an Account and Reservations. We look forward to continue this journey with you. So we will see you in the following modules. If you have any questions, please reach out to the SprintPass Success team at support@cargosprint.com and we will be happy to help you.